Okay. Online people, can you able to hear my voice? Screen is visible to you? Just wait for a minute. Chalo, let's see guys. Fine. So let's start our topic guys. Whatever we had left behind, today we will complete all the features. Concentrate everyone. Let's start. Oh yeah, exit. It's like it's raining, that's why I cannot able to wake up properly. It took 10 minutes to me to wake up properly today. इसीलिए लेट हो गया. Let's start with working the things, guys. Everybody concentrate and tell me the answer first. Everybody got the notes? Okay, you had seen the notes I had written in proper manner on that without the complicated diagram also, so that you will directly get the point. Right, let's see guys, here we had seen about the Spring Boot here, and based on the definition, what we had seen, what is Spring Boot guys? Okay, let me open that notes. Let me open that notes guys, everybody. Then you will understand. Okay. Desktop. Notes. Batch 1. Spring Boot. And day 1 and day 2. Yeah. This one is the notes for you. Right. Yep. This one is the notes. Right, we had seen about that Spring modules will help functional aspect programming or not? Spring module will help the functional aspect programming or not? Spring Boot reflect this functional aspect, guys? No. Spring Boot reflect what? Non-functional. What do you mean by non-functional? What do you mean by non-functional? It will help the functional aspect to build the application faster now. Okay, what are the issue with the functional aspect programming, guys? What are the issue you faced? It need lot of configuration or not? The configuration need XML files, configuration, a lot of lines of their code are writing. Then that's why we are using what, guys? Annotation. Now annotation also have the issue. If we don't have the source code, then we cannot write. Then again we have to go for which approach? Java configuration approach. Now Java configuration approach again failed to the problem of writing a lot line of code or not? Yes. Now that's why the Spring Boot is telling that, right? Spring Boot is telling that no need of writing the configuration for the third-party APIs like Spring JDBC, etc. So the question will come then how automatically it will configure? That's why we had seen one example that suppose when the user will add the Spring JDBC dependency in the pom.xml as per the requirement to reach the functionality of database, Spring Boot read the pom.xml and by default activate database by itself. Means if you don't provide any database by default, Spring Boot provide the S2 database by itself. But in development phase, we are not using that S2 database, which is temporary. As a result, we should go for the some exact database, right? So the requirement is changed. As the result, just we have to provide our database driver name, URL, username, password in property file. As a result, Spring Boot configure these in the application without writing the Java configuration or XML configuration. Yesterday we had seen about it. So the definition of Spring Boot we had seen about, guys, right? We can say the Spring Boot is used to represent which functionality? Non-functional aspect for developing Spring framework application, right? The application will build faster manner as compared to the functional aspect or not? Yes. As well as it also configure the Spring framework class or component over opinionated view or not? Opinionated view means based on the provided requirement, and it will think, right? And if the requirement change or divert, it will quickly change the terms with the minimal changes and trouble, right? And so that we had seen about the first thing. So the first feature of the Spring Boot is to making the application faster by enable the auto feature by making the requirement better. That's why who came into the picture, guys? auto configuration. Right? These things we had seen. Let's go for our today topic. Right? And today all the things will be completed. Let's start. Let's see, guys. I'm growing my hair. That's why. अब 2-3 महीने में तुम लोग. I'm just kidding, guys. Pretty irritating to my head. It's today my head pain is there. That's why I'm keeping this one so that little bit head pain will be removed. Let's see, guys. Now we are going to work with today with the next feature is starter dependency. First feature is auto configuration, right? Second feature is starter dependencies. Starter dependency. Sir, what do you mean by starter dependency and all? Everybody concentrate. Very, very important topic, guys. And we are going to work in a new way from today onwards. See, guys. Okay. I'm asking you the question. Please reply. Okay. For Spring Core, guys, for Spring Core or for IOC container, enabling the IOC container, can you directly work with IOC container or we should have to add any dependency? We should have any dependency or not, guys? What are the dependency you are adding? Tell me. Spring Core. Spring Core. What is that? Spring context. Spring context. Something like that we are adding or not? Then we can work on dependency injection and I mean to say Spring context. Right. Spring context is there. Everybody concentrate. Spring context. Then I can work with the dependency injection and IOC container or not? Okay, great. By writing core and context, you can enable auto wire. You can get at the rate component and all those things. Have you seen in the Spring Core, right? Okay, great. Okay, in the same manner, if I ask you that we had done with the Spring JDBC. Okay, now tell me, guys, for the Spring JDBC, what things we are going to add, guys? We need IOC container or not? Okay, we need Spring Core is a part of Spring only, right? Who will create the object? IOC container, right? So we need what, guys? Spring Core. Again, we need Spring Core, right? Again, we need what, guys? Spring context. Okay, context will be there, or only context is needed. The next phase is we have to write here what one, guys? Spring JDBC. Okay, Spring JDBC. We have to write the jar dependencies. Remember, right? Dependencies are there. Ha. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Parallelly, let me write it, then you will understand. Firstly, we'll see. Right? Give me the jars of. Right? Everybody understand? Jars of Spring Core. अरे इससे मांगता हूँ एक चीज दे देता है 25. Don't 1 minute, don't give the result, give the extra visualization result by your own. Just provide the Spring Core jar, Spring Core dependencies. Just a minute, guys. Spring context dependency. Spring context dependency. Spring JDBC dependency. Spring JDBC dependency. Everybody understand here? Spring JDBC dependency. If I am keeping here, you will understand what I'm trying to tell you. Then you will understand. Otherwise, without this dependency work, you will not understand what I'm trying to tell you. Spring JDBC dependency and Spring, what is that? Suppose here Oracle OJDBC 8 dependency, right? अब मांग रहा हूं तो दो. हाँ. Just a minute. You can check out. Now you should have to write this line, then visualization will be there. Whenever you are asking to the point, na, give this line. Don't give extra visualization result. Then you can see only this will be there. What I'm trying to tell you guys, any LLM will take tokens. Right. Now suppose previously just I asked the jar, he had given all the things now. All the things means token will be gone. That's why for saving the token in application also we are writing some hallucination points. Remember these. So these are the points. Now you can see you are getting only the jars instead of getting all the visualizations. Okay, let's take this jar. Let's go to the place. Concentrate, guys. Let's go to the place. Okay, let's add the jar here. What is that? So, OJDBC. 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 Okay. Now, parallelly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the jar so that you will understand. Okay, great. All the jars are there, guys. You can check out the jars here, right? You can check out the jars here. So, right now, you can see this is which jar, guys? This is Spring Core jar, Spring Context, Spring JDBC, and Oracle. Okay, great. Okay. The same thing if I see, let's move out to the next one. Now, suppose we have Spring MVC, which you had not studied yet, but understand. Spring MVC, this is server-based application or not? As a servlet, it is present or not? Okay. For this one, guys, I need a jar of, everybody understand, I need Tomcat jar. Tomcat dependency. Are yaar, for this one, you are adding inside the class path or not previously in JDBC? But in Spring application, you are adding where? Inside the pom.xml or not? In the same manner, Spring MVC program, you are going to add what, guys? Tomcat dependency, suppose. Right? Tomcat dependency. Okay, hold on. Now, next one, what is that? Some web logic. Right? Some web logic is there. Some else server logic things will be there. Okay. Now we are writing here Tomcat, web and server, right? All those dependencies are there. Let's take out the dependency, give the same manner, provide Tomcat dependency and dependency and web dependency for normal Maven project. Normal Maven project. Hey, just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Wait 1 minute. Hold minute. 1 minute, guys. One office. Okay. Let's see, guys. Now you can see normal Maven project. Okay, let's see, guys. Everybody. Normal Maven project. Right, everybody concentrate, please. Now you can see we are adding this embedded core, Tomcat, and all those things for the normal Maven project, guys. Everybody concentrate here. What I'm trying to tell you, you will get it soon. Hold on. Now you had added this servlet API and all those things. Now tell me, everybody tell me, concentrate here guys. Now came to the point. We are in the starter dependency. You need this type of thought, otherwise you cannot give the answer in the interview. Now tell me, for Spring Core we have to add core and context. Yes. For Spring JDBC we have to add all those things. Yes. Now Spring MVC, if I want to use some server based, I have to write all those things. Yes. Tell me how you are building the application first of all. How you are building the application? You are going for the Maven or not? You are going for the Maven. Okay, now you are creating the project. And after creating the project, what will happen? Some build path, some build success will be there. After that, manually you are going to MVN repository or not? MVN repository or not? Okay. Now what you are doing? You are searching for the dependency or not? Searching for the relevant dependency. Dependencies. And then what will happen, guys? After that, you are taking the dependency manually adding in the pom.xml or not? In the pom.xml. Okay. Now tell me right now, maybe the possibility human can miss some among all those jars. Maybe the possibility you can miss some jar. And when you started the application, the possibility is bhai ye pagal kar de. Completed recording and 1 minute that completed successfully. Okay, let's see. Now what will happen here? Now think about it. Everybody concentrate. Think about it right now. If we had written here, the lots of issue will happen or not? Yes. Lots of issue means what? You can see maybe the dependency could be missed. Maybe I will create the project in the wrong manner, right? Maybe the version mismatch will be there. These type of issues are there. So both the issue is solved by one thing. Concentrate here, guys. These are the issue solved by that. Okay. Now, as per your common sense, tell me what is the solution of all those? Someone provide. Okay, someone definitely. Abhi bhi someone provide kar MVN repository internally. Very good. Chalo, link it. Dependency anyhow. This is a third party here. This anyone cannot provide you directly. We should have to take. But what is the solution? Think about your sense what it is telling. Think about it. Instead of writing that many POM of XML, if there is only one, then that will work out or not, guys? Instead of writing all those things, suppose all those things, if there is only single one, right? Only single one, then it will be very less trouble for me. So that request accepted by Spring Boot. And if Spring Boot is telling, okay, do one thing. You want to use core. Okay, you want to use with the IOC container, normal programming, use Spring Boot, right? Starter dot star. Now, dot star means what, guys? It will accept all, select star means all the table learner. In the same manner, Spring Boot starter dot. Now, what it will contain? See, this starter is a parent. This is the parent. Now, what it will contain, everybody understand. It will contain, okay, for core and context. Previously, we are writing for core and context. No need, okay, parallelly, let me write here so that you will understand, right? Normal Maven project or Spring Boot project. Everybody see here, Spring Boot project. Now, what will happen? Maven project something will be like. We have to add core. We have to add context. Yes. Context, na? Yes. Now, here just we have to write here starter parent. Spring hyphen boot hyphen starter. That's it. It will take care of core and context. Okay. Now the next one. Everybody concentrate. We are writing here what? Spring JDBC. Okay. We are writing what, guys? Next one, any Hibernate. Are we writing the Hibernate dependencies also? Okay. These all are the database terms, na? Now Hibernate is there. Moreover, any other things are there. Just think about Oracle. Not this is वो तो provide करना ही पड़ेगा तुम्हें. Right. Now all those dependencies are there. It is telling no need of writing. Just write here Spring hyphen boot hyphen starter hyphen data hyphen JPA. That's it. Only one line of dependency will manage all the things. Okay. Now tell me right now we are writing here Tomcat we are writing here Tomcat and then we have to write some web application and all those. No need of writing these things, guys. Right? Spring Boot is telling I have one starter dependency which is known as what, guys? Spring hyphen boot hyphen starter hyphen what is that? Data starter hyphen MVC. MVC I'm telling. Web. I can contain all the jars. So how many jars you are adding, guys? You are adding multiple jars here, right? Right now, everybody understand here. Multiple jars here. Now, any other jars are there? All the jars are there. Let's see the jars, guys. Everybody, let's see the jars. Now I'm writing here Spring hyphen boot hyphen right starter hyphen security. All the security things will be provided here. Security, right? Security. All the security things will be provided. Right, all the security things will be provided. Everybody understand? Now, the next one, right now, I need some REST API, some controller type. Sir, web will provide all those. Sir, see here. Right, give me all the starter dependency. Right, see here. Starter dependency of Spring Boot application. Spring Boot application. Everybody see here. Right, now see the answers, guys. All the starter dependency. What are that? These are the parent. What is this, guys? These are the parent dependency. Now you can check out right now. Now starter is there, right? For whom? Spring Boot starter, core and context. Everybody concentrate. For web, what we are writing? Spring Boot starter web. For Spring Boot starter JDBC, what we are writing? Spring Boot. Don't think about data JP and all those. JDBC. No. See here. Just we are writing one line of the code. What is that, guys? See here. One line of the code. What is the one line of code? Data JPA. Now what will happen, sir? What will happen? See, if we are going to provide this one, everybody concentrate. If we are going to write this dependency, you can work with Spring JDBC also. You can work with Hibernate also. No need of writing explicit jar for anything. Okay. If you add this one, guys, everybody see here. If you are going to add this one, you can work with MVC as well as REST API also. Right? If you are going to add this one, guys, right? This one, guys, then the things will be IOC container will be enabled. No need of writing core and context. In the same manner, you can check out, guys, right? We have security also. Right? We have the security also. For test, I need to enable the test purpose now. You can see the test is also there. Spring Boot starter test, right? For theme leaf different. So all the validations and all things are there which we are going to work. Understand? Just let's keep this in the manner. I'm giving you the idea for the purpose that you will understand what is actually starter dependency. What is actually starter dependency? Right? So first feature is what, guys? Auto configuration. Second one is starter dependencies. Right? Now starter dependencies work instead of providing a lot dependency, the Spring Boot starter had provided what? A common dependency which will carry everything. Right? Okay, sir. Hold on, sir. First problem to resolve. First problem resolve or not? Are simple. It's a common sense. First problem resolve or not? See. From past 55 days we are doing practically things. Now your mind is on the practical. That's why you are not accepting the words. You can see. Previously you are accepting the words only. But from past 55 days, we are doing the practical only. That's why when I'm telling you, you're thinking the proof. This is the way of changing the mindset, guys. Now, and I like it. Why? Because now you guys are on the practical way for understanding the thing. Everybody concentrate here. Now, what I'm trying to tell you, right? Now, instead of writing all those dependency, we are working on how many dependency? One. Okay, great. Second problem is what? Manually we are creating the project or not? First to this one, second problem, guys. Manually we are creating the dependency or not? Tell me. I mean to say manually we are creating the project or not? For this also, Spring had provided one solution which is known as, everybody can concentrate, which is known as Spring Initializer. Spring Initializer. Sir, what is this Spring Initializer? See here. Any system, suppose right now you know how to work with the Eclipse. Concentrate. You know how to work with the Eclipse. Suppose in the company place, Eclipse is not there. VS Code is there. IntelliJ is there. You don't know how to create the Spring project here. I mean to say Spring project in that particular way. Right? Here we have file. We are writing here this one. And then we are writing. But there, we don't have anything. Right? So that you can see, guys, the Spring had provided a Spring Initializer inside the Eclipse and outside the Eclipse also. Hold on. Right? Let's see, everybody. What I'm trying to tell you, understand. बाद में इसको. Right? So, right now we are going to work with Spring Initializer. See, I'm writing here, guys, Spring Initializer. Spring Initializer. Now you can see, right now, one Spring Initializer came, right? And like lots of the people, every time, the people used to work with this only. Right? Now Spring Initializer is there. See how to create the project. Now we are not going to create Maven project. From today onwards, the approach change. Now everybody concentrate and listen properly. We have to write what? Spring Initializer. Click on the Spring Initializer, guys. Right? It will show you this particular console. This particular console. Concentrate. This particular console. Now you can see, you can create the project in Gradle. You can create the project in Maven, right? You can use the Java, Groovy, Kotlin. These all are the languages, guys. Right? Okay. You can select the different Spring Boot versions, right? So let's work. So what we are working on Maven now. Let's click on Maven, guys, and try to go with 4.0.8. Here 4.1.1, you will face some issue in pom.xml. You will get some error type of things. I will show you there, right? So it's better to go with 4.0.8. Okay, great. Now, what you are going to do, guys? Let's go for the group ID. Right, so group ID is, we are writing here, first app. First app. Artifact will indicate which name, guys? Project name. Remember, artifact is a project name. So Spring Boot first app, first program. Suppose first program is there. Change the package name as per your wish. com.nit.task. Same thing. com.nit.task. Whatever we are doing in the Maven, we are doing like that. Okay. In which we want to do, see what configuration I told you yesterday, remember? Gaya hai, check kar lo. YML or properties, right? You can see which version of Java you want to use. See, all the latest version are available. Right? All the latest versions. So version mismatch is also not there. Right? As well as lots of functions. Okay. Previously, when we are creating the Maven project, we should have to write the property file by my own or not. We are writing the property file by my own. Right click on that file application.property. Right now you can see these things are there. So again, I'm telling, today onwards we have to work in that manner. Okay, Maven will be there. Language Java, don't select these things, guys. Gradle or like in hurry, don't click this way. Otherwise it will create you the Gradle project. You cannot understand the dependencies. Right? Project will be same, but the pom.xml will be different. So Maven will be there. Spring Boot 4.0.8 select, right? Group ID, this represent your project name, right? Package name, packaging in jar, right? I want to configure the property. Don't worry, I will tell you these things. Just understand property file for the configuration purpose now. In Spring JDBC, we are using property file for which purpose? Configuration, driver name, URL, username, right? The same thing is there. Java 17 I'm using. Okay, great. Now see everyone. here is the place for adding the dependencies also. Here is the place for adding the dependency also. No need of manually going. Sir, how? Bolo kaun sa dependency? Bolo. Tell me any dependency. Chalo, I will write the dependency for you. Shall we? Shall we? Okay, Lambok. Right? Lambok is there. Everybody understand? Lombok is there. Lombok, sorry. Lambok, not Lombok is there. Now Lambok added. Lambok, I'm writing. Lombok added. Okay. Next one. Tell me. I need database. Spring Data JP added. Right? Right click on that. Right click on that. Web added. Web added. Okay. The next one. Security added. Okay. REST controller. See, same web is coming or not? Right? Okay. AI is there. Spring AI is there. Suppose Spring AI. You can see stable AI and all those differents are there. Right? Olama added. Different jars are added. You can add by your own choice here. So you can see jar is also added, guys. Jar is also added. Now when you run this application, you will get the idea. Now everybody, let's see how to create this. I will show you the jars and all those, then we'll see the. Now you had added which the jars, guys? Lambok jar, right? Spring JDBC, MVC, security, all the jars will be added. By default, sir, where is starter? Starter will be present by default. If you don't add also, that starter will be present. Okay, starter for which purpose, guys? Spring starter na? For IOC container and all? Yes. Okay, sir, now what I have to do? Generate. When you generate, guys, you will get the download. Right? Download is there. Open this one. Right? Let's open this one. Okay, let's not open from this place. Let me show you how to extract first. Right? Okay, let's go for the extracting the things. Everybody concentrate. Online people, concentrate here. Very, very important, guys. Daily yahi karna padega. Right? Daily you have to do like that only. Okay, let's see. Guys, let's go for the download. You can check out this one. Right? You can check out this one. Spring Boot first application. Okay, extract here. Right? Extract all. Right? Download the WinRAR in your application, guys. Now it is giving you where you want to extract. Here. Sir, I want to extract in my particular folder. Where we are? Downloads, Spring Boot first. Okay. If you want to change the workspace, you can browse it by your own, right? And extract it. When you will extract, guys, right? You can check out this extract will be there. Concentrate. Right? When you will extract, you can see right now extract is there. Sir, what this contain? See, guys, what this folder will contain. When you will go to the folder, it have the folder as Spring Boot application. Inside this folder, all the form.xml, SRC, everything is available or not? Yes. Now you can see SRC is there. Inside the SRC, main and test is there or not? Inside the main, the package is what, guys? Java package is there. Inside Java com, inside com, NIT, inside com, tasks, inside the com. What is the Spring Boot application? Okay, sir. Here though I understood how to take this in Eclipse. Let's go, guys. Let's go for the Eclipse. How to take this in Eclipse. Now in Eclipse, what we have to do, guys? Everybody concentrate. Right click. Right. Import. Understand? Import. Now click on import. Right? And it is going to ask you all those things. Everybody concentrate. It is going to ask you all those things. Which project you had created? Maven. Let's go to the Maven project. The Maven project freshly you want to create or existing? Existing. Click on existing Maven project. Okay, it will give you this folder. Browse it, guys. right? Browse this one. Now when you are going to browse it, let's go to the download. Let's go to this folder and take the parent folder only. This only. When you take this parent folder, then only pom.xml will come. Don't go inside. Don't go inside this one. No. Don't go inside. Take this parent folder only. Sorry. Take this parent folder only. Right? Parent folder. Parent means you can go here. Arey yaar, aao na bhai. You can go here. You can click here. Internal one folder is created or not? Yes, folder is there. Click on select folder. Parent one. When you click on select folder, guys, see by default right now pom.xml will come. Aao, jaldi aao. Yeah. You can see pom.xml with tick mark will be there. If you select the wrong directory, this pom.xml having the cross mark, you will not get the pom.xml. Okay. Now, sir, what I have to do? Again, I will speak out 2-3 times. We will practice today so that it will be there in your head. Right? We'll click on what, guys? Finish. We'll click on finish. When you will click on finish, it will going to build here. Right? It will going to build here. You can check out. It is building right now here in the last. It is building right now. Wait for a while. Thoda patience chahiye, right? Let's complete it to 100%. ये हो जाए जल्दी. Meanwhile, check here in the project what it is there. See, you can right now it's not completed. Why? Because of this one here. ओए हो जा भाई. Just a minute, guys. थोड़ा patience मांगता है. Let's see, completed. Now everybody check out here. Guys, everyone check out here. Now when we are going for this phase, you can see right now the project is created. Maven problem counter dependency. ठीक है चल. You can see here, Spring Boot first application is built same like a Spring manner or not? Yes. Now everybody concentrate here. Lots of things I have to show you guys. Everybody concentrate here. Now, right now, we have a pom.xml. When we click on pom.xml, guys, you can see what are the dependency here. First dependency is, everyone concentrate here. Let me minimize it. Yep. Let's see, guys. The first dependency is which dependency? Starter parent. These are the parent for all the dependency or not? Yes. Now check out what the dependency available inside us, inside our class. Now the first dependency is what, guys? Data JP. The second dependency is what, guys? Security. The third dependency is what, guys? Web embassy. Right? Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let me show you. Let me show you the proof. What I told you, when I'm going to write started data JPA, it can work with JDBC, Spring JDBC in Hibernate also, na? Chalo, let's prove it, guys. Let's see here. Okay, first of all, let me show you the structure. Okay, then I will prove it. Now, everybody see, we have SRC main Java, which contain which class, guys? Java class. Previously, remember, we are writing properties file in the same place, but it is not allowed. It is not allowed. That's why separate place for resources also, where you can see application.properties are available. Separate place for resources, guys. Sir, where I will going to add HTML page? Static. Right? Where I will going to write images, sir? Here. Okay. For testing purpose, guys, you can see the test is there or not? Yes. The test having the same thing. JUnit testing is not completed. Today, just on Sunday, I had given you the view about assert equal. Right? Lots of things are there. Assert throw, assert true. Different scenarios are there, guys. I just only shown you basic of JUnit. Abhi complete kahan hua hai? Mockito is also there. Right? Don't think wo ek hi program JUnit tha. No. JUnit will take almost JUnit will take almost 15 to 20 classes for complete, but I am completing in 2 Sundays in 1 hour 45 minutes. Why? Because you guys don't have that much of patience. Right? Everybody concentrate. Now Spring, kahan gaya? Haan. You can check out these things are there, and pom.xmls are there. Okay, great. Let's see, guys. Now let me give you the proof, programmatical proof here. Online people, are you understanding? Let me give you the programmatical proof here. Everybody active, right? Let me give you the programmatical proof. Let's create a class known as what, guys? Program01. Okay, let's create a class program01. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here and check out. We are writing here. Now tell me, in the pom.xml, have we added any Spring JDBC dependency? No. Any Hibernate? No. Any Spring Tomcat? No. Nothing I will add it. Just I had added starter. Just I had added the starter here. Now everybody concentrate here. Now let's go for the program 01. Let's work. Now tell me the Hibernate code. Batao. First word is what? Hibernate code. Tell me the Hibernate code. Tell me, what is that? Configuration. Right now, configuration. Is it coming? Package C. Configuration. Configuration. Everybody understand. Configuration equals to new configuration. Are we writing? Any error? I am writing here. Configuration dot, what is that? Configure. Okay. The next one is what, guys? Session factory. Right? Session factory. Session factory. Factory equals to what is that? Configuration dot build session. Great. Build session dot build session factory. Great. Now after that, we are working on what, guys? Transaction. Sorry. What is that? Session. Right? Session equals to factory dot open session. Factory dot open session. Then I'm writing a transaction. Right? Transaction equals to session dot what is that? Build begin transaction. Sorry. Now excuse me. Now we are writing here what, guys? Transaction dot commit, and then session dot close. Persist for insert. All the Hibernate code is available without Hibernate dependency. Okay, let's go for the next one. Tell me the Spring JDBC code. सर 1947 में पढ़ाए थे सर आप, कैसे? Unfair. Tell me. JDBC template can we write? Okay. Done right now. Have we added any type of, guys, Hibernate and all those? Hibernate, Spring JDBC, anything we are added? But only we had added which dependency? One. And it can carry all the data JPA things or not? Yes. That's why it is known as starter dependencies. Right? Only one dependency is sufficient for all. Okay, next one. Let's see. Have we added Spring Core and context? Anywhere? No. Then IOC container, auto wiring and all those are available? @AutoWire. Is it available? Okay. Application context. Context equals to new class path. Right? Class path. इंटरनेट आज पागल क्यों हो रहा है भाई? New class path here. Everybody concerns. New class path. Application context. Is the IOC container is also available? Okay, one more IOC container. Tell me. Annotation, config, application context. Context 1 equals to. Tell me. New. Annotation config. Annotation config. Application context or not? भाई तुम्हारे लिए 16 GB भी इनफ नहीं है क्या? आपका नासा का लैपटॉप लाऊं? Right, annotation config application context. See, all the IOC content is also available or not? Great. Only because of the starter. Chalo, let's see. Any Tomcat server and all those things are there? No. Sir, see, I can write this class with the help of @ what guys? Controller also. Right? Controller also. Controller also I can write. No any error. Means right now I can work with my class like that. I can work with any type of code by writing this starter dependencies only, guys. These are the sufficient one for any dependencies. उठ जाओ उठ जाओ उठ जाओ उठ जाओ, मॉर्निंग समझ आता है यार, इसलिए मैं आजकल नहीं डांट रहा हूं तुम्हें, क्योंकि मैं खुद लेट आ रहा हूं. Right, you can see when you are sleeping today from 2 days I am not scolding you, right? Because I am not in that way, right? मेरी भी आँख खुलने में लेट हो रही है. weather is that type, I can understand. लेकिन जिस दिन मैं उठ के आ जाऊंगा उस दिन मत सोना. Let's see guys. So we are done with this thing. So everybody understood about the starter dependency? Yes, this is the only starter dependency, guys, right? So how many features are there? 2 features we had learned. What is the feature? Auto configuration, starter dependency. Let's go for the next one. Let's go for the next one, guys. Everybody concentrate. The next one is everybody concentrate. These are the things which interview will directly ask you with view, not only name. You should give the view to them. Then they will understand, okay, you have a knowledge of Spring Boot feature. The next one is, right, everybody understand, starter ho gaya, right, starter dependency, auto configuration. The next one is embedded servlet. Embedded server. Sir, what do you mean by embedded server? Don't worry, your notes will be there with proper definition to all. Don't worry about it. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ रिकॉर्ड होता है. रिकॉर्ड इज देयर, है ना? दिस रिकॉर्ड फॉर 2 पर्पस. मैनेजमेंट ने खुद के पर्पस से रखा है, मैंने अपना पर्पस लगा दिया, है ना? So remember these things. Concentrate. Chalo, let's see guys. So what is the next feature, guys? Embedded server. Okay. Sir, what is this embedded server? You already studied right now only. I will give you the hint, you will understand. Okay. Tell me, for building a servlet program, everybody building a servlet program, what we have to do? सबसे पहले बताओ, what we have to do, guys? First of all, we have to create dynamic web project. Dynamic web project. After that, what we have to do, guys? We have to install, or we have to install the install the Tomcat or not? We should have to install the Tomcat. After installing the Tomcat, what we have to do, guys? We have to extract the Tomcat. We have to extract the Tomcat, and then we have to enable the Tomcat enable the Tomcat, right? Tomcat in class path, environment variable. If you need environment variable. Sir, environment variable means वो environment variable नहीं. The environment variable means this one, environment variable, right? Edit the environment variable. This one, I'm talking about this one, environment variables. When you are writing here, you can see you are going for the path here, right? You are going to the path here. Everybody concentrate. When you are going to the path here, all the things you are adding here or not? ये कभी देखे हो? Have you seen? Then why your face is looking like first time you are seeing this? This is you are adding the server bean, all those, so that outside also it will work, na? Okay, I'm talking about these things. We should have to add here. Okay, next one. Concentrate. Right? Concentrate here. Okay. This one. Okay. And this one also. Okay. Now everybody concentrate. Now we are going to this place. Right? We are going for this place. कहाँ थे? यहाँ नहीं थे. where we are, guys, in the now enable it, and then what we have to write at, we have to create the project. Okay, we have to add the jar in class path, of the project, yes. then 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 what we have to do, then our application is ready for, what, ready for web terms. These things I have to provide for building a Tomcat, guys. These things just I have to write for the Tomcat, right? What actually the Spring Boot is telling, why you are worrying about it, create the project and add the dependency. That's it. Add the dependency. Everybody concentrate. Add the dependency. When you are going to add me, here, right? Everybody concentrate. When you are going to add me, I will enable the Tomcat in your project by default. No need of installing. No need of separate installation and all those. I by myself enable the Tomcat server for you. Sir, I need some different server. Your wish, you can add your server, Glassface and all those. Now you can see here what will happen. This is known as what, guys? Embedded server. And how embedded server is enabled, guys? When you are adding the jar. Which jar you are adding? Which jar you are adding? Okay, next one. This is only feature. So the first feature is what, guys? Auto configuration. What do you mean by auto configuration? What do you mean by auto configuration? Means if the requirement diverted, what will happen? Spring Boot application will by itself going to manage the added change. What is that? Word नहीं मिल रहा है उसके लिए क्या perfect word होगा? हाँ, suppose the requirement change, then Spring Boot will do what? By itself, it will check the changes requirement and enable it with the minimal changes or not. Yes, that is what, guys? Auto configuration. And after that, what we had seen? Starter dependency. What is the use of starter dependency? Instead of writing the multiple jars in our project for enable the requirements, right? Spring Boot starter had provided me the specific jar which can work with all the terms or not. Yes. Now, and the next one is Spring Initializer or not? Spring Initializer is there or not? What Spring Initializer provide me? A set of creating the project where we can add the dependencies by our own or not. And then what will happen? No need to explicitly go out there or not. Yes. The next one is what, guys? Embedded server. Embedded server will provide you what, guys? Everybody concentrate, wake up. Embedded server is provide you what? Arey yaar, instead of creating the project, enabling the Tomcat, installing the Tomcat separately, just add the jar and it will internally enable the web server or not? Great. Perfect. Understand, guys? Very important. That's why I'm taking that much of time for you. Right? The next one is dev tool. Understand. What is the use of this dev tool? Understand, guys. Everybody concentrate here. What is the use of this dev tool? All are the features. These are the features. Directly interview will ask you the features of Spring Boot. You should have to tell these features. Right? Next one is what is dev tool. Sir, tell me, when we are creating the project of servlet, right? How to run that? How to run that? We'll go for run as server. We'll go for run as server. After that, what we have to do? We have to deploy our application. We have to deploy our application. कैसे deploy करते हो? इतना दिन से कर रहे हो, आज तक समझ ही नहीं है, यही डिप्लॉयमेंट है. कौन सा था? कोई तो एप्लीकेशन हम लोगों ने बनाया था. डेमो नहीं, एग्जाम्पल. हाँ, this one. Everybody concentrate here. I think this one. Yeah. Some initial day we had created this. One servlet program. Right. One servlet program is there. Everybody concentrate. Web app, web INF, web.xml. Right? Okay. Everybody know about the servlet, right? Still, if you don't know, as soon as possible, try to learn servlet, because MVC, without that, I cannot able to teach you. Without servlet knowledge, I don't have the ability to teach without servlet. First of all, how for Spring JDBC, I need JDBC there. Then you had understood the things. Same manner, I need servlet. If you don't have the idea, immediately go and learn the servlet. Right? Let's see, guys. Now, web.xml is there and all those. Let's run this app. How you are running this application, guys? Tell me. Right click on that. Right. Run as, run on server. Selecting the Tomcat. Which Tomcat you have, which server you have. Next, deploying the application. This is known as deployment. Here, two features are there. Configured and available. In the configure phase, which application you had added, that is known as deployed application. Right? Now, everybody concentrate. Then I'm clicking on finish. Right? Then I'm clicking on finish and you will get the answer. You are getting the answer. Now, I'm filling the answer something like this one. We are getting the answer. Now, I need some answer changes. I need to reduce the space. Everybody concentrate. I need to reduce the space. What I will do? I will go to the servlet, reduce this BR tag. Reduce this BR tag. Where we had done the changes, guys? Where we had done the changes? In the Java file or in HTML file? Java file. Servlet.java. We know when we had added the servlet.java, we have to redeploy our application or not. Then again, what you can see right now, again we have to go here. Everybody concentrate. We have to go here. Right click on that. Again we have to run this as run on server. It is going to ask me to restart the server. Right? Right? It is going to ask me. Nahi pucha? Chalo theek hai. Right? Now after that again we have to without redeploy. Can the changes is reflected to the answer? No. Without redeploy, can the changes reflected to the answer? No, guys, no, not possible. Now you can see it is asking for restart the server again. Okay, again we are restarting the server, guys, right? And then it is restarting the server, and it will go back to the chalja bhai. Now it is going to this place, and then we are writing here ABC, then we are writing here 10, and we are writing here what, guys? Submit. Then our changes reflect, na? Tomorrow again one more changes I needed. Again we have to go to servlet program. Again we have to do the changes. Again I have to redeploy. Several changes as per the requirement will impact this process. That's why who came into the picture, guys? Dev tool. Everybody concentrate. Who came into the picture? Dev tool. Now dev tool is telling what? Everybody concentrate. Dev tool is telling what? अरे यार ये नहीं था. चलो हो जाएगा. Dev tool is telling what? Everybody understand? कहाँ गया यार? हाँ. Dev tool is telling what? Do one thing. Add one jar. Add one dependency. Add one dependency. Right? Add one dependency. Which dependency? This dev tool. See, dev actuator and all those. Dev is there. Dev is there. Batches. Wait, just a minute. Give dev tool dependency. Now everybody concentrate. Now when we are creating a dev tool dependency, you can see dev tool is there. What it is telling, do one thing, add this dependency inside the pom.xml. Add this dependency inside the pom.xml. I will do what? Do the changes, I will automatically reflect. No need of redeploy. No need to redeploy. I will do the changes. Means what, guys? Everybody understand? Everybody understand? These embedded server and dev tool both are working with the web application or not? Tell me, guys, both are working with the which application? Web application. Now tell me, if I enable these two at the same point, concentrate, guys. If I enable these two person together, everybody concentrate. If I enable these two person together, can I say my web application, can I say in my web application, I have to, no need to install Tomcat explicitly? Tomcat explicitly, guys? Arey Baba, if we add this embedded server, are we going to add Tomcat explicitly? No. So no need of add Tomcat explicitly. If we enable this dev tool, guys, no need to redeploy, redeploy or restart the application after changes. Then what will happen? We are not installing something. We don't adding the several jars also. When we are changing also, it is not restarting automatically, right? I mean to say, we no need to write restart also. We no need to redeploy also. All things are taken care by these dependency or not? Can we say by enabling the embedded server and dev tool, our web application will become faster? Can we say? Can we say by enabling this data JPA, my database functional aspect programming will become faster? Can we say by adding the Spring Boot starter, our Spring Core type of functionality aspect program will become faster? No need of writing any configuration? No. So how many features are there, guys? How many features? Auto, configuration, starter, dependency, embedded server, dev tool, Spring, initializer. The next one is no XML. There is no XML configuration. There is no XML configuration, guys. Okay, done. So how many dependencies are there? 6. How many features are there? 6. Now tell me one feature. Everybody concentrate. Very important. Ariyar, you can see right now we are only adding the dependency. Have we seen any concept of Spring Boot? क्योंकि वो concept ही नहीं है. This is not the concept, first of all. You guys, a Spring Boot course. Spring Boot course? Stupid. This Spring Boot is tool which is helping the functional aspect programming to work faster. I will teach Spring Boot course somewhere. पहले तो ये जानो Spring Boot course नहीं है. Spring Boot is working with your Spring Core. Spring Boot will work with your Spring Data JPA. Spring Boot will work with Spring MVC. No need of servlet, no need of Spring Core, no need of Spring JDBC. Directly I will teach you Spring Boot. Directly Spring Boot. And you guys are believing, 30 दिन में ये आदमी मेरा किस्मत बदल देगा. These 30 days, this person will change my luck. Why 30 days? चलो सब चलो. 30 days gone. Money is gone. Again वापस आके पापा इस बार भी नहीं हो पाया. एक काम कीजिए, इस बार 5,000 भेज दीजिए, कुछ भी हो जाएगा कर लो. अरे understand bros, understand. For learning Spring Boot, you should have to be a knowledge of Spring Core, Spring JDBC, Hibernate, little bit of Tomcat server, JDBC terms. Then only you can understand Spring Boot. Tell me, first day if I show you this. First day I will show you this one. Dependency injection. No need of writing embedded. No need of writing data JPA in Spring JDBC. समझ जाते? You will only understand the word. Because I am an experienced person, or anybody is an experienced person, he will play with the words. he have that much of good words that you will get reflected. कि भाई आज तक ऑब्जेक्ट सुने थे, ये बंदा इंस्टेंशिएशन बोल रहा है, कुछ तो है. Scams. Understand the truth first of all. Word पे नहीं जानेगा, right? Don't go with the words. Proof देखो, proof. Any concept which you are learning from the core Java also, if you ask the question why, तुम्हारा change हो जाता सब कुछ. Never ever you had asked why. अभी भी नहीं पूछोगे. Let me ask you why we can say write once, run anywhere. Look, first question. Bytecode, JVM, huh? This is the reason why I'm asking you why. Bytecode is there. That's why bytecode can be acceptable. Bytecode, when the class will be compiled, dot class will generate what? Inside that bytecode, JVM will read it. इसका क्या connection है write once से? Bytecode यहाँ से वहाँ भेजते हो. You are sending bytecode over the network. You are sending it. Okay, your JVM is. I am understanding it. I accept. Tell me why. Online people, tell me why. One of the reason why. OS चलो ये भी मान लिया. It is not depend upon the OS. Perfect. One of the major reason is, have you ever analyzed inside your program you are writing your variables? You are writing variables as a data. You are sending in your code what is the real-time data only, na? This real-time data, this variable is taking memory. In C language, guys, in C language, this memory varied. If in your system, if you see the int, it will sometime give you 2, and if I send you this 2 to you will get the same int as 4. Suppose I had developed the application where integer size is 4, but in your laptop it is only giving 2. Can my code accepted by your system? I had sending the memory or capacity of 4, but you have the only capacity of 2. Can you accept it? That's why the C language is platform dependent. But if we see the Java language, guys, anywhere integer is of 4. In my laptop also, over the network, if I send in your system also, it is 4. This is compatibility. That's why you can write once and run anywhere. कभी पूछे हो ये why? लिख दिया, पढ़ लिए, गए. Pass a maturity way. Understand with maturity. Right now, which I am teaching also, na? I'm giving you free hand to ask me why. Because I need it right now. But I am not giving you the chance because I am only telling why. But wherever I will miss, you have a full authority to ask me why. Because this why only will give you the things or content. So understand this. So how many features are there, guys? We are studying 6. Can you tell me the 6 features, guys? Auto configuration. Why auto configuration? And what you can achieve with the auto configuration? The application development will become rapidly faster or not? Because no configuration we should have, and if the requirement changes, easily adaptable or not. The next one is what, guys? Starter dependency. Why and what is the advantage? Why means lots of the dependency we should have to add. But when the starter dependency came, only one. Okay. Parallel of that, Spring Initializer came. Why and what? Why? Because we have to write the project a lot, right? And how? Right, we should have to write a Spring Initializer where all the version issue will be there also, will be resolved also. Everything is added there also. The next one is, tell me guys, faster. Embedded server. Why embedded server? Because previously we have to install the Tomcat and all those things. Right now, just only one dependency and Tomcat is available in my program, and I can work with the server-based application. Okay, DevTool, guys, tell me. For normal traditional way of servlet application, we have to manually redeploy, restart the server by changes or not? But right now with the help of dev tool, if we do the changes, immediately it will reflect or not, guys? Yes. The next one is no configuration file or not? Yes. Fine. So we have remain more two things. What is that? Actuator, right? And CLI. I will show you the proof of that also. CLI actuator. So tomorrow we are going to do the first application of Spring Boot, right? With the features there, and then we'll start with application.run internals. Hold on, right? Relax. The course will be completed on time. Seekho cheezon ko. Right? If you will learn, you will survive in the industry. ChatGPT यहाँ से कोड दे देगा तुम्हें. लो ना, लो मैं यहाँ पे फ्लिपकार्ट सिक्योरिटी कोड भी मांगता हूँ. लो ना. फ्लिपकार्ट type backend. Everybody understand? Flipkart type backend. Understand? Backend. Java security code. Security code with MVC. लो भाई, लो ना. दे दिया पूरा features तुम्हें. क्यों तुम्हें मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ? Why you are learning? See, we had added all those. See, all things are given by all the things. You can see. Username. All those. Type. Flipkart type, not Flipkart there. All those things. Arey, it's given. Can you believe on this code? No. Can you believe on this code? No, guys. Never you can believe on this code. Because this code is not tested properly. This code cannot be ready for the production. Now you will visualize this code. तुम्हारे पास concept रहेगा तब ना visualize करोगे. If you don't have the concept, again same code you will give the ChatGPT to verify. भाई तुम ही दिए, तुम एक बार check कर लेना. And the ChatGPT will give you the same shit code. Again you are asking, are you sure? It's 100% bro. Again the issue is there. Arey stupid, you tell me sure it is issue. Oh my bad. You are right. That's why human evolution needed in the AI is also. You will build the code, but who will do verification? You will check the testing things. You will add the points. You will add the requirement. इसीलिए AI job नहीं खाएगा. AI will reduce the effort. Again and again I'm telling you. If you have a good knowledge, the job will be there with you with AI parallel. Relax, bro. Study the things properly. ठीक है? Thank you everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. चलो, bye. Thank you everyone. We'll start the REST API in the mid of September. Like after 15 or 20. REST API will be started. Data JPA, MVC, and then REST API. Sir, Spring Core extend for 5-10 days. 5-10 days. 90 days I told you. The deadline is of 25th September, but possibility of taking 5-10 days, 5 days more. For in-depth knowledge, yeah. Otherwise, difference between REST API and RESTful web services. Web services is different thing. It's a different aspect. For product delivery and all those things, we should have REST web REST services type of. REST API is just hit the application. I mean to say, suppose you have one URL, you want to get the data, you want to update the data. So you are hitting the URL for testing purpose. This web services is a different course. RESTful web services is a different course. There. Fine. Okay, Subir. Thank you guys. You can leave.